In front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip 2, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and tapping on Allow in all available pop-ups. When you're ready to start recording, click on the blue button at the bottom. Then hit Allow again. And as you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on flag icon on the left. And to add a photo mark, camera 1, also on the left. To add a photo mark, hit accept. Tap on while using the app or only this time. Take a pic. Discard it thanks to this X on the left or add it thanks to this check mark on the right. Now to end and save your recording, hit done. Then name it, delete it right away by hitting delete or continue by choosing save. To play it, click on it, and to manage it, use all of those options at the bottom and also those at the top right corner. You can also hold it on the list and use all of those options, like delete. To adjust more recording options, click at the top right corner when the recorder is off. Hit Format Settings and operate those as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!